So on my video where I showed you just a really quick wash of the blueberry, I said that I'd show you how to fully detail around the inside of your door shuts if they're really grotty like these ones clearly are. So while I've got this one in the front yard doing a detail on the interior, I'll show you that as well. Okay, the first and easiest one is to dry brush and use your vacuum cleaner. Then finish off with a little bit of a spray and wipe. It does an okay job, but if it's really grotty, you might need to go a little step further. Time to level up. I'm going to hit this one a little bit harder. I am going to still use my cleaning product and a brush, but I'm going to use them together. And finish off with our old faithful hose. So if you're just doing a simple vacuum or a wipe of the interior, or you're not going to touch the interior at all, step one is probably your best option. At a push, you could get away with using the hose, but you are going to get a couple of little spots of water splash here and there. On this one, I'm doing a full interior detail, so it's time to take it to hardcore mode. Sprayer. And pressure washer. Helps if you plug it in. And the pressure washer. Turn it on, bloody jeez. Right, take 3. And the pressure washer. Oh God.